Alright, just a quick intro to surface areas of pyramids and cones here for Geometry, Chapter 11, Section 6. Okay, when we're looking at pyramids, we don't just have a height, which the height is from the vertex of the pyramid to the center of the base. That's for a right pyramid. We also have something called the slant height. Okay, so make yourself a little sketch in your notes with this. The slant height, we use the letter L. I guess because S was already taken, so we go to the next letter, L, slant height. Okay, that's along the outside surface. So along the face is the slant height, and it is, again, at a right angle on one of its base edges. Okay, so we need to distinguish between base, the shape of the base, and the edge of the base. Base edge length, we use lowercase b. If you have an uppercase b, that describes the area of the base shape. Same thing for the cone. We have a height of the cone that goes from the vertex down to the center of the base. This is again for a right cone. And then we have a slant height, L, that goes along the outer edge. Okay, along the outer edge to the base shape. Okay, so to the outside of that circle. Okay, for a regular pyramid, the surface area is 1/2 the perimeter times, and here we have the slant height, times the slant height, okay, because we're working with the outside. So you could say, well, we have a triangle here. In order to find that triangle, I take height times this edge length right here, half height times the edge length, and then I could go times 4. Well, that just gets me the perimeter. So you can just as well just use the perimeter times the slant height. To get the surface area, you want to add the area of the base. Whatever shape that is, the area of the base, we want to add that to the lateral area. So this formula right here includes both the lateral area, which is this part, and one base, because a pyramid only has one base. So base plus 1/2 perimeter times slant height is the surface area. Now the surface area of a right cone, okay, so it's not oblique, it's right. That means right here from the vertex to the center, we are at a right angle. That is pi r L, and L again being the slant height. Surface area is also the base area plus the lateral area. And in this case, we have pi r squared plus pi r L. All right, that's all for your notes today, and we're going to look at some examples in class. Good times.